What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about some of the best business ideas for introverts, and we're going to go over the list right now. The first idea is to start your own freelance writing company or side gig. Now, this one is really easy. All you really need is a computer, and you need to be able to write in basically English, and there's a lot of ways you can do this. So the first way that I've done this in the past is I've gone to a subreddit on Reddit. It is called For Hire, and you put your own little ad on there, and you put your own price and what you do, and usually that's resulted in me, every time I post there, which you're allowed to post there once a week, I usually end up getting about, 3 or so customers. So you'd put it, and then you'd put like your price per 1,000 words, because that's normally how writing works for this. You're basically going to be writing articles for people on their websites, like blogging, and they'll send you a list of what they want written, and you'll just do it. Now, that's the first way to do it. The second way to do it is through a website called Upwork. Upwork, I'm sure you've probably heard of it. It is a website where it's pretty much an online marketplace for hiring people to do a variety of different things, but you would create an account, take all the necessary tests to show that you're legit, put up a portfolio if you have any writings in the past, and put your price, and you can apply for jobs, post that you're willing to work. And the cool thing about Upwork is that it's much easier to get clients once you get started. The only issue with it is getting started is tough, because at first it might be difficult. But another downside to Upwork is the fact that they take a cut. So you're looking at about 5 to 10%, which it does add up. So just be prepared for that. It is much better to do it separate away from Upwork. The second business idea that I would advise you to go through is called flipping. Now, this is something that has been done for a long, long time, and I'm sure it's not going to die anytime soon. So basically what you do for this is you're going to either scavenge your nearest like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist. You can go to discount stores. You can go to Walmart and look in the discount bin. And you're going to find things that are marked down a lot. Usually going to be brand new. Or, if you want to find used things like in a Goodwill or something that you think would sell. And basically, you're going to put it in your eBay app or your Amazon app. And if it has a barcode, you can just scan it. It'll show you all the products that are on eBay or Amazon that match that product. So it'll be the exact same product online. And if you find it for a significant amount cheaper than it is online, you buy it, and then you list it, and you sell it, and you make the profit. You're basically just a middleman. But middlemen make money. So this definitely adds up. There's people out there that are making 6 figures plus. And if you want to learn a little bit more about the ways to do this, there is a nice newbie guide that I listed in the description below. And I also recommend that you check out the subreddit called Flipping. It is really beneficial, and it'll help you out a lot. So number 3, this is the last one I'm going to talk about. It's a vending machine business. This is a really great one because you only really have to work once a week or so, and it really just runs itself. So it's semi-passive income. It's not passive income, but it is semi-passive because a lot of the time you're making money without putting in work. So basically, you're going to want to find a nice vending machine. I'd recommend that you stay away from food products if you're a beginner, because vending machines that carry like chips and things like that, because those expire moderately quickly, and they're more risky to run if you don't have a great location. So what I advise you to do is to get either the Venstar 3000, look that up on Craigslist or eBay or anywhere near you, or just a drink machine, or any candy machine will do as your first one. And you're going to want to do some research. You're going to want to think about places near you, whether it be a barber shop, a store, things like that, and see where you should set up your vending machine. Think about foot traffic, the types of people that are walking through. Obviously, you don't want to be selling, Sour Patch Kids at a retirement home. So really think about that. Now, a barber shop, to me, is one of the best places you can do it, because kids come in, men come in, and men are more likely to eat candy. So that, to me, is a great spot for this. Now, here's what you do. You walk in, and you talk to the owner of the building or the business, and you tell them that you would like to see if they would consider putting your vending machine in their area. Okay, now first of all, you're going to want to try to do this for free. That's without giving them any cut. Okay? Now, in the description below, I linked to you for a guide on how to do this. But most of the time, they're going to say no because they're going to want a piece of the pie. So, a rule of thumb in the vending machine world is to try to give them a cut of 10% or less, 10% being the max that you're going to give them. So, that is something to aim for. And if you can build up a system of vending machines in your area, let's say you get 10 to 20 machines, you could be making thousands and thousands of dollars a year, which is great side money for not working that much. So these were 3 great business ideas for introverts, and I hope you enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.